traveler from Malaysia, and this is my first time to be here. As you can see, I'm also wearing the Kalash people traditional clothes, and I'm so enjoying with this festival. And the people also, Kalashi people, is really hospitable.
I am Iñaki from Spain. I am here in Kalash village. I am very happy here. I am very happy. It's a wonderful place, wonderful people dancing. It's very beautiful. I love it.
I'm Dr. Khalid coming from Canada, but actually I belong to Chitral, and I have been here it's the third or fourth day I'm in Kalash Valley. I will request all the people, you can see this, the peace and everything here, and request all the requests to come to Chitral and enjoy this kind of festival. It's open, and you can see a lot of people. They are coming here, and the girls, they are dancing, and the people, all the people, they are very well organized, and it's a peaceful. Otherwise, the image of Pakistan, when we go outside, I live in Canada, when you talk about the Pakistan, you know, the people, they just get scared, and they avoid to come to this area. You can see a lot of people here, and there is no security situation, no problem, and everything is going on very well, very smooth. I will request all the foreign the tourists, they should come here. You can see around us there, most of the people, they are coming from different part of the country, and they are very well enjoying it.